1.1 Section Exercises. 1. Verbal. 1. Is the square root of 2 an example of a rational terminating, rational repeating, or irrational number? Tell why it fits that category. 2. What is the order of operations? What acronym is used to describe the order of operations, and what does it stand for? 3. What do the associative properties allow us to do when following the order of operations? Explain your answer. 2. Numeric. For the following exercises, simplify the given expression. 4. 10 plus 2 multiplied by, open parenthesis, 5 minus 3, closed parenthesis. 5. 6 divided by 2 minus, open parenthesis, 81 divided by 3 squared, closed parenthesis. 6. 18 plus, open parenthesis, 6 minus 8, closed parenthesis, cubed. 7. Negative 2 multiplied by, open square bracket, 16 divided by, open parenthesis, 8 minus 4, closed parenthesis, squared, closed square bracket, all squared. 8. 4 minus 6 plus 2 multiplied by 7. 9. 3 times, open parenthesis, 5 minus 8, closed parenthesis. 10. 4 plus 6 minus 10 divided by 2. 11. 12 divided by, open parenthesis, 36 divided by 9, closed parenthesis, plus 6. 12. Open parenthesis, 4 plus 5, closed parenthesis, squared, divided by 3. 13. 3 minus 12 multiplied by 2 plus 19. 14. 2 plus 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 4. 15. 5 plus, open parenthesis, 6 plus 4, closed parenthesis, minus 11. 16. 9 minus 18 divided by 3 squared. 17. 14 multiplied by 3 divided by 7 minus 6. 18. 9 minus, open parenthesis, 3 plus 11, closed parenthesis, multiplied by 2. 19. 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1. 20. 64 divided by, open parenthesis, 8 plus 4 multiplied by 2, closed parenthesis. 21. 9 plus 4, open parenthesis, 2 squared, closed parenthesis. 22. Open parenthesis, 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, closed parenthesis, all squared. 23. 25 divided by 5 squared, minus 7. 24. Open parenthesis, 15 minus 7, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 3 minus 7, closed parenthesis. 25. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 9 times, open parenthesis, negative 1, closed parenthesis. 26. 4 squared minus 25 multiplied by 1 over 5. 27. 12 times, open parenthesis, 3 minus 1, closed parenthesis, divided by 6. 3. Algebraic. For the following exercises, evaluate the expressions using the given variable. 28. 8 times, open parenthesis, x, plus 3, closed parenthesis, minus 64, for x, equals, 2. 29. 4y, plus 8, minus 2y, for y, equals, 3. 30. Open parenthesis, 11a, plus 3, closed parenthesis, minus 18a, plus 4, for a, equals, negative 2. 31. 4z, minus 2z, open parenthesis, 1, plus 4, closed parenthesis, minus 36, for z, equals, 5. 32. 4y, open parenthesis, 7, minus 2, closed parenthesis, squared, plus 200, for y, equals, negative 2. 33. Negative, open parenthesis, 2x, closed parenthesis, squared, plus 1, plus 3, for x, equals, 2. 34. For the 8, open parenthesis, 2, plus 4, closed parenthesis, minus 15b, plus b, for b, equals, negative 3. 35, 2, times, open parenthesis, 11c, minus 4, closed parenthesis, minus 36, for c, equals, 0. 36, 4, times, open parenthesis, 3, minus 1, closed parenthesis, x, minus 4, for x, equals, 10. 37, 1, over 4, times, open parenthesis, 8w, minus 4 squared, closed parenthesis, for w, equals, 1. For the following exercises, simplify the expression. 38, 4x, plus x, open parenthesis, 13, minus 7, closed parenthesis. 39, 2y, minus, open parenthesis, 4, closed parenthesis, squared, y, minus 11. 40, a, over 2 cubed, open parenthesis, 64, closed parenthesis, minus 12a, divided by 6. 41, 8b, minus 4b, open parenthesis, 3, closed parenthesis, plus 1. 42, 5, l, divided by 3, l, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 9, minus 6, closed parenthesis. 43, 7z, minus 3, plus c, multiplied by 6 squared. 44, 4, multiplied by 3, plus 18x, divided by 9, minus 12. 45, 9, open parenthesis, y, plus 8, closed parenthesis, minus 27. 46, open parenthesis, 9, over 6, t, minus 4, closed parenthesis, squared. 47, 6, plus 12b, minus 3, multiplied by 6b. 48, 18y, minus 2, open parenthesis, 1, plus 7y, closed parenthesis. 49, open parenthesis, 4, over 9, closed parenthesis, squared, multiplied by 27x. 50, 8, open parenthesis, 3, minus m, closed parenthesis, plus 1, open parenthesis, negative 8, closed parenthesis. 51, 9x, plus 4x, open parenthesis, 2, plus 3, closed parenthesis, minus 4, open parenthesis, 2x, plus 3x, closed parenthesis. 52, 5 squared, minus 4, open parenthesis, 3x, closed parenthesis. 4. Real-world applications. For the following exercises, consider this scenario. Fred earns $40 at the community garden. He spends $10 on a streaming subscription, puts half of what is left in a savings account, and gets another $5 for walking his neighbor's dog. 53. Write the expression that represents the number of dollars Fred keeps, and does not put in his savings account. Remember the order of operations. 54. How much money does Fred keep? For the following exercises, solve the given problem. 55. According to the U.S. Mint, the diameter of a quarter is 0.955 inches. The circumference of the quarter would be the diameter multiplied by pi. Is the circumference of a quarter a whole number, a rational number, or an irrational number? 56. Jessica put her loose change in the jar first, and then Adriana put her change in the jar. We know that it does not matter in which order the change was added to the jar. What property of addition describes this fact? For the following exercises, consider this scenario. There is a mound of g pounds of gravel in a quarry. Throughout the day, 400 pounds of gravel is added to the mound. 2 orders of 600 pounds are sold and the gravel is removed from the mound. At the end of the day, the mound has 1,200 pounds of gravel. 57. Write the equation that describes the situation. 58. Solve for g. For the following exercise, solve the given problem. 59. Ramon runs the marketing department at their company. Their department gets a budget every year, and every year, they must spend the entire budget without going over. If they spend less than the budget, then the department gets a smaller budget the following year. At the beginning of this year, Ramon got $2.5 million for the annual marketing budget. They must spend the budget such that $2,500,000 minus X equals 0. What property of addition tells us what the value of X must be? 5. Technology. For the following exercises, use a graphing calculator to solve for X. Round the answers to the nearest hundredth. 60. 0.5 times, open parenthesis, 12.3, closed parenthesis, squared, minus 48x, equals 3 over 5. 61. Open parenthesis, 0.25, minus 0.75, closed parenthesis, squared x, minus 7.2, equals 9.9. 6. Extensions. 62. If a whole number is not a natural number, what must the number be? 63. Determine whether the statement is true or false. The multiplicative inverse of a rational number is also rational. 64. Determine whether the statement is true or false. The product of a rational and irrational number is always irrational. 65. Determine whether the simplified expression is rational or irrational. Square root of negative 18 minus 4 times, open parenthesis, 5, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, negative 1, closed parenthesis. 66. Determine whether the simplified expression is rational or irrational. Square root of negative 16 plus 4 times, open parenthesis, 5, closed parenthesis, plus 5. 67. The division of two natural numbers will always result in what type of number? 68. What property of real numbers would simplify the following expression? 4 plus 7 times, open parenthesis, x, minus 1, closed parenthesis.